Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to zoom in and out of Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here at canva.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, where the first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the option to log into your account, or if you do not already have one, you can go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, where you can see all the options you can access, you can see all of your info on the left side of the screen, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to zoom in and out of our products and our files that we are creating. It's very easy to do guys. First go ahead and open up the file that you're creating. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new design. You can just go ahead and open up one of your projects if you want, and after opening it up, it's going to look something like this. Depending on what you're creating, you will have the templates at the left side of the screen, the design option, and so on. Basically guys, it's very easy, and all you have to do to be able to zoom in and out is just here in the bottom right corner find the zoom button. So here you can go ahead and grab this and slider, and then go ahead and decide how much you want to zoom and how much you want to zoom out. As you can see here, you can decide how big it's going to be, and after you're satisfied with the zoom, you can go ahead and let it go, and now you can get started with editing your document. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.